Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Bhumika, pursuing the degree of Electronics and Communication Engineering in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bangalore. Today's video is about the subject time, which refers to technological innovation, management and entrepreneurship. In the subject time, we are going to talk about the topic understanding the departmentalization, where the strategies for organizational success. Well, coming to the introduction to departmentalization. In today's fast-paced business environment, departmentalization is essential for achieving organizational success. This represents will explore various strategies of departmentalization, their benefits, and how they can lead to improved efficiency and effectiveness in organization. Well, coming to know about the what is departmentalization. It is the process of dividing an organization into smaller, manageable units or departments. The structure allows for specialization where employees can focus on specific tasks, leading to enhanced productivity and expertise within each area. The next one is the function of departmentalization. In this function, the tasks are grouped based on the similar functions or the roles. The structure promotes efficiency by allowing specialists to work together, fostering collaboration and innovation while enhancing the overall performance of the organization. Next is the product based of the departmentalization. This strategy organizes around the specific product or the product line. By focusing on the individual products, organizations can better address customer needs and market trends, leading to improved customers' satisfaction and increased market shares. The next, we have to know the geographical of the departmentalization. Well, coming to the organizations which are divided with their operations based on the locations. This approach allows companies to tailor their strategies to the local markets. This can be responsible and enabling better customer engagement in diverse regions. The next one is customer based departmentalization. This strategy organizes departments around specific customers segments by understanding and catering to the unique needs of different customer groups, organization and enhance loyalty, improve service quality and drive revenue growth. While coming to the matrix of departmentalization, the matrix is a combination of functional and project-based structure. It has the dual opportunity system. This is flexibility allows employees to work on multiple projects while maintaining their functional roles, fostering collaboration and innovation across the departments. Coming to the advantages of departmentalization, where it has the numerous benefits including improved communication, enhancing teamwork and increased accountability. This can reduce the duplication of efforts and achieve greater organizational elements. The next are the challenges faced by the departmentalization. Despite its benefits, departmentalization can lead to a silo mentality where the departments become isolated and communication breaks down. Organizations must proactively address these challenges to maintain collaboration and ensure overall organizational health. The best practices for the implementation of the departmentalization requires carefully planning and clear communication. Organization should involve employees in the process, define roles clearly and foster a culture of collaboration to ensure the effective implementation and alignment with the organizational goals. Well, coming to the case study of the success, where examining the real world example of successful departmentalization can provide valuable insights. Companies that effectively implement departmental strategies often see significant gains in efficiency, innovation, and overall organizational performance. While coming to the conclusion, where it is a path to the success, understanding the implementing effective departmentalization strategies is crucial for organizational success. By leveraging the strengths of different success and structures, organizations can enhance productivity, foster collaboration, and achieve their strategic goals. Well, thank you everyone. I hope this video was interesting and useful to you all. Let us meet with an interesting topic in the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.